Welcome.
Welcome. Welcome to Hopkins on the Hill.
Welcome to Hopkins on the Hill at home.
I'm Lori Graham-Brady. I'm the director of the Center for Materials and Extreme Dynamic Environments at Johns Hopkins University, where I'm also a professor of civil and systems engineering. We don't actually make armor, but we work on the materials that comprise armor. In particular, we're trying to make armor lighter, stronger, and more effective.
These experiments are the steps along the way to the development of materials that are needed on the battlefield, in extreme climates, or in other extreme environments. In this experiment, we are seeking to understand the response of armor ceramics to projectile impact. Immediately beneath a projectile, particles from the fragmented ceramic rapidly flow, compact, and continue to break down. We're studying these behaviors using X-ray imaging and advanced algorithms that allow us to see and reconstruct the particle structure during these crucial few milliseconds that determine whether and how the armor resists penetration. We're currently developing new, even more advanced experimental facilities here at Hopkins that will enable new studies of material deformation in extreme environments to further improve material performance in the battlefield.
MEDE has an enormous scope. It brings together people who test materials, people who develop computational models, and people who actually make the materials. Typically, these have been very siloed, and one of the hallmark features of this program is it brings those groups together in order to design new materials.
Being able to work on these teams has been important for my development as an investigator because of the access I have to state-of-the-art facilities and subject matter experts across a range of disciplines. I know that my work is going to make a difference in the world because of the careful design of our research program and the collaborative interactions we have on a regular basis with our government sponsors.
MEDE is funded by the Army Research Laboratory. What's unique about this program is that it's a collaborative research alliance where we partner with ARL to design better materials. In this program, we've trained over 300 students at all levels. This is the next generation of experts in materials design for extreme environments.
I've worked closely with PhD students and research engineers at Hopkins to help design and bring to life some of the most advanced facilities in the world for these studies. Working closely with students and government sponsors on these projects has been the most enjoyable aspect of my time at Hopkins.
MEDE has established tools that will be in place in the Army for years to come. We believe that what MEDE is doing will lead to future generations of armor that will save soldiers' lives.